Ayoba, yoba, yoba, yoba. The hustler, the networker, the distributor. This is me, Miss Brown Eyes. If you know, you know. Guys, come on board. Be my customer or a distributor today. Let's help our loved one, our community by selling or by getting commission. Yes, guys, as a risk taker, Miss Lou Health, the solution, the healer. I'm healing any diseases. So today I'm here to talk about the stem cells that I'm selling. Yes, the stem cells are changing people's life. So right now, do you know getting pregnant at the age of 43, 47, 52 is possible? Yes, it is possible. But what the causes infertility? Infertility can be caused by various factors including hormonal imbalance. That is, hormones play a crucial role in regulating menstrual cycles, ovulation, and fertility. An imbalance can lead to issues such as irregular periods, painful periods, and difficulty conceiving. Then number two, it's ovarian cyst. These are growth on the ovaries that can contain fluid or air, which can affect ovulation and fertility. Then the following one is fibroids. These are abnormal growth in the uterus that can grow to a significant size, making it difficult to conceive. Then number four is infections. Certain infections such as pelvic inflammatory disease, that's called PID, can cause infertility by damaging the reproductive organs. And then the last one is uterine issues. Problems such as a retroverted uterus, like a tightly uterus or a prolapsed uterus, can affect fertility. So guys, if you want to get healed, you have these problems, you need the answer. You've been praying every now and then to conceive the beautiful baby that you need in your life. 08421812750. I'm here to help. So let's continue. What is infertility? Infertility is defined as the inability to conceive after 12 months of regular, unprotected sex. There are two types of infertility: primary infertility and secondary infertility. So, primary infertility, when a couple has never conceived despite regular, unprotected sex. That is a primary infertility. So, the secondary infertility, it's when a people has previously conceived but is now having difficult to conceive again by conceiving again. Don't mind me, remember, I don't know English knows me. So I'm trying to explain this to you guys because every now and then, as distributors of the stem cells, you have to learn every now and then when you are in a presentation where we are talking about the product, you have to learn. So I'm taking all like engikuzwile nengikuzwayo nengikunderstandayo ukuze ngi-understandise abantu. That's why today I'm talking about this. So the causes of secondary infertility is some common causes of secondary infertility include contraceptive use, like certain contraceptives can affect fertility, and some women may take longer to conceive after stopping their use. Then number two, underlying health issues, pre-existing health conditions, such as those that I was mentioning when I'm talking about the infertility. Okay, hormonal imbalance, ovarian cysts, fibroids, infections, and uterine issues. Those are the things that I was talking about. You can backwards the video and listen again. Remember, I don't know English knows me, so I'm trying my best here because these things that I'm explaining to you, there are many people are struggling to conceive. There are many people are crying in their marriages. So right now I'm here to help you because these things can change your life. So this problem of secondary infertility can also contribute to secondary infertility. The problem that I was talking about, fibroids, infections, uterine issues. So try this stem cell that is here to this video. Okay, you can try these stem cells, cacti cell that you see right now, or mirror cell, or diva secret, or cure. Stem cells can reverse all these infertility issues, can fight it, and your family and your doctor, they come back and give you the good news. like you are pregnant. Guys, remember to subscribe to this channel and check my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please share the positive comment. Remember 0842181750. Something better await as if you've courage to reach for it, to work for it, and to fight for it. Miss Lou held a solution. If you know, you know. Ciao, guys.